Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to join Anime Fighter server in Discord on PC. Subscribe to Guide Mentory and let's go. So what you need is to open your Discord application or log into your account from any web browser, and on this left pane select the Discover section. Now click on the search icon and search for Anime Fighters. Now hit enter. Here is our server. Click on that. Join Anime Fighters at the top. Now make sure you are on the verification tab at Welcome Center and you have this green button, Verify with Boxlink. Hit this button, scroll down, and you have this message with a link. Click on this link. It takes you somewhere. You need to sign in with Discord. Click on that. And it takes you to a login page. Now you need to enter your credentials. Enter your email or username and password. Click on login. Boxlink needs some access. Okay, scroll down and authorize. Fetching something. Now you need to create an account here, so click on Verify Now. Here click on Next. Here click on Sign Up. Enter your birthday. Enter your username. Enter password. Select your gender if you need. Click on Sign Up. Now scroll down. Confirm and give access. Now select Anime Fighters, confirm, and you are welcome. You can go back to Discord and enjoy your membership on your new server. That's pretty it, guys. I hope this was helpful. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and be awesome. Bye guys.